Conjugation of the verb to donate in 12 English tenses. I. 1. Simple present, I donate. 2. Simple past, I donated. 3. Simple future, I will donate. 4. Present continuous, I am donating. 5. Past continuous, I was donating. 6. Future continuous, I will be donating. 7. Present perfect, I have donated. 8. Past perfect, I had donated. 9. Future perfect, I will have donated. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been donating. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been donating. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been donating. Conjugation of the verb to donate he, she or it. 1. Simple present, he, she or it donates. 2. Simple past, he, she or it donated. 3. Simple future, he, she or it will donate. 4. Present continuous, he, she or it is donating. 5. Past continuous, he, she or it was donating. 6. Future continuous, he, she or it will be donating. 7. Present perfect, he, she or it has donated. 8. Past perfect, he, she or it had donated. 9. Future perfect, he, she or it will have donated. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she or it has been donating. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she or it had been donating. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she or it will have been donating. Conjugation of the verb to donate we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we or they donate. 2. Simple past, you, we or they donated. 3. Simple future, you, we or they will donate. 4. Present continuous, you, we or they are donating. 5. Past continuous, you, we or they were donating. 6. Future continuous, you, we or they will be donating. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have donated. 8. Past perfect, you, we or they had donated. 9. Future perfect, you, we or they will have donated. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we or they have been donating. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we or they had been donating. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we or they will have been donating.